Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Dark Voyager outfit in Fortnite. Unfortunately, the original Dark Voyager skin is not currently obtainable. This iconic legendary outfit was a special reward from a previous battle pass, meaning it was only available for a limited time. You won't find it in the daily item shop rotations or through any current in-game challenges. Its exclusivity makes it a rare sight on the island today. The Dark Voyager was a highly sought-after item from the Battle Pass of Chapter 1, Season 3. To acquire this legendary outfit, players needed to progress through the Battle Pass and reach Tier 70. This involved earning experience points by playing matches and completing challenges, or by purchasing individual tiers with V-Bucks. It was a true testament to a player's dedication during that specific period. Understanding how battle passes work is key to why the Dark Voyager is so rare. Items featured in a battle pass are generally exclusive to that specific season. Once the season concludes, those particular rewards are retired and do not typically return to the item shop or future battle passes. This system creates unique collections for players who participated actively during those limited-time events, making certain skins truly one of a kind. While the original Dark Voyager is no longer available, Fortnite frequently introduces new and exciting cosmetic items. Keep an eye on the in-game item shop for new space-themed skins that might capture a similar aesthetic. Additionally, upcoming battle passes often feature unique legendary outfits, so participating in current seasons is the best way to earn exclusive rewards. Embrace the new and discover your next favorite look.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.